I am Porden Tenorio, Area Manager, and proud father of 2 children, Ethel and Julia.
I'm Paul Oliver M. Espirijon, Product Specialist of SAFC and father of 2 beautiful children.
I'm Ryan Trimocha. I'm the Credit Investigator Head and a proud father of 3 children.
First question, first thing that came to mind when you found out you were going to be a dad?
A mixed emotion ko nung time na yun.
Grabe yung excitement and kaba.
Mixed emotion kasi I'm not ready yet.
First memorable dad moment?
Time na kinarga ko yung baby ko sa hospital.
First time talaga na puyat, as in puyat. So, gising siya, sinabayan ko siya.
Kinarga ko yung baby. Naramdaman ko talaga na totoo na to.
First time you felt you were getting better at being a dad?
Naging comfortable na ako na alagaan yung baby ko.
Hindi na ako sumasama sa mga friends. Focus lang ako sa akin ako.
During mga conflict, dinakausap yung mga anak ko, and then nagtitiwala naman sila sa akin.
First thing fatherhood changed in your perspective on work, life, and finances?
Siyempre, may baby na ako. Kailangan magsipag pa ako. Kailangan healthy ka palagi. Sa finances, natuto akong magtipid.
Nandyan yung responsibilidad, sakripisyo bilang tatay. Lagi ko iniisip na kailangan meron ako para sa anak ko.
Pag naging ama ka talaga, hindi lang sarili mo yung isipin mo, kundi pati future talaga ng mga anak mo. So, kailangan mong tsaga kahit mahirap para sa future nila.
First by you want your children to learn from you as a father.
Maging honest lang sila sa sarili nila and yung takot sa Diyos. Yan yung pinakamahalaga nito.
Maging mahaba ang pasensya, maging madiskarte sa buhay.
Respect and kindness. Success is little kapag hindi mo tinreat ng maayos yung tao.
First dream you had for your children when you became a father?
Gusto ko lang maging masaya sila and matupad yung pangarap nila.
Maging successful kung ano yung magiging hilig ng anak. Todo suporta ang tatay siya.
I want them to become a better person and responsible at the same time.
When your children think of you someday, what is the first thing you hope they remember about you?
Gusto kong maalala nila ako as a loving and supportive father.
Ma-remember ako ng anak ko na yung madiskarting tatay. Loving father, tsaka caring father.
Their father always loved them, supported them, and did his best for them.